In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset paper trading on Webull Desktop. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to go to paper trading here on the left, and you want to get a layout into which I'm going to basically just put a chart, and then I'm going to put in a classic trade. And then to actually be able to reset your paper trading, the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to sign in. So you're going to have to log into your Webull account. And after you do this, make sure you actually use this bit over here, which is the widget called paper account details. So click on that. If you can't see the widgets, click on add widgets up top, and then paper account detail, and it's gonna get added in like this. I'm going to remove one. There we go. So once you have this over here, and of course for this you're gonna have to be logged in, which currently I am not, you will be able to find the reset button next to your account value in dollars or whatever currency you're using. So there's gonna be a reset button, and this is going to reset it. If for some reason you can't find it, what you can also try doing is just basically deleting this layout. So like this, click on that up here, and it's going to get deleted, and just create a new one over here, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.